Morning, everyone. I was not planning on going out today. Right now it's like blizzard-like conditions. It's supposed to be raining right now, but it's snowing. So I have to get the plow hooked up and go check out a couple parking lots. Wow, can't talk this morning. Not ready to go, but got up early this morning. There was nothing. It was windy. A little bit of nothing going on, and then within the past hour there's about 2 inches of snow on the ground, and it's blowing hard, about 20 to 30 mile an hour winds. So let's get the plow hooked up and let's go check out these parking lots. That parking lot is done for what I have to do right now until 12 o'clock when I go to lunch. And all I had to do is just make sure that people could get in and out, so make their appointments without getting stuck. So we're gonna go check on one more parking lot and probably go home and wait, see what's gonna happen. Okay, I just checked my second parking lot that I have to make sure is open, and there's not any snow at all on it. So that parking lot is faced the right direction where the snow is blowing off. So I have to go check one more set of sidewalks to make sure they're cleaned off. That's ones I have to maintain in front of another like office building there, and we'll go from there. So we're heading back out. Still blowing hard, and it's still snowing. And I hate plowing this time of the day because you can't get anywhere because it's 12 o'clock and you got the lunch hour rush. But I have to get this parking lot cleaned out. Okay, parking lot's done. I'm gonna go check one more parking lot, but I don't think it's gonna need any plowing just because of the way the snow is blowing. It's kind of blowing out of the, what is it, the north, I guess, or actually no, it's quite the south. A little bit south is coming from. So the snow, last time I checked that driveway parking lot, the snow, wow, brain shot today. Last time I checked that parking lot, the snow was blowing across it and there was no accumulations at all. But that might have changed now because it was sleeting and it starts snowing again. So we'll see what it looks like. Okay, I checked that parking lot and there's nothing I can do with it. There's vehicles all over everywhere and it's all in the way and there's nothing I can do with it. Just can't push it anywhere. So this day is gonna turn from bad to worse here soon, because it's supposed to start warming up through the rest of this afternoon. Probably in about 3 hours it's going to be above freezing. It's supposed to get up near 40 or above 40 here by the next 8 hours, I think it is. So it's not going to be good here shortly. So I don't know if I'm going to be heading back out plowing or not. It all depends on how this weather turns or which way it goes. But I got a feeling I will not be. I might have to go clean something up a little bit, but not much of it. So that's going to be the end of my video for today. So I thank you for watching and subscribing. If you check out the links in the description box below, it'd be greatly appreciated. Everybody have a good evening, and we will see you on the next one.